What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Ethereum.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming days and weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I have to say that I haven't done the technical analysis on Ethereum for quite a long period of time, and as you can see previously, I made a lot of videos in regards to its price action, but for now, I think I haven't done it basically for more than a year or even a couple of years. And to start the analysis from scratch, you have to take a look on a bigger picture. And we had a very harsh movement to the upside that hit about for almost $5,000 back in November of 2021. Then we had this retracement. And guys, this movement from the bottom of the retracement from June the 20th, from the level of about $950 to this range, is almost completed movement. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So, first of all, we have several very indicative waves, but in general, I have to admit that the most recent price action is not so obvious. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal. So guys, let's take a look on some fundamental news. If we take a look on the bigger picture for the entire market, you can see that pretty much all of the coins are bleeding. And this is quite expectable movement because in general, I have to say that we had a lot of news that happened a couple of days ago in regards to Ethereum. And I'm talking about the Ethereum ETF. And this news, we had zero reaction from Ethereum. And we don't have major breakouts above crucial ranges of resistance. And that is why we have to be cautious. And in general, I have to say that not only crypto market is bleeding, but the entire stock market is almost completely in red. The Magnificent 7, almost the entire Magnificent 7 is deeply in red, and that drives the entire market down. So guys, we have to be cautious with any positions, but let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, take a look right here. If we completed the ABC correction from this highest point, from its all-time high at roughly $5,000 to this swing low, we potentially have the initial movement to the upside. And guys, in my opinion, from this bottom, we have something like this. On a bigger scale, we have potential. This is our first wave. This is our second. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our third wave. We are seeking the bottom of our fourth, and we have to have at least one more leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave. And in general, I think this structure, let me upgrade its scale. This structure, I have to admit that it is not the very top, and it is not the projection that we will hit just $5,000 price point. It is just a blueprint of its structure. Let me show you that on a slightly smaller scale, from this bottom, the third wave is following. We potentially have, let me show you, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and 5th. And guys, I have to admit, by the way, let's downgrade this scale. I have to admit that this structure is not the best one in terms of the ratio between first wave and third wave. And let me show you what I'm talking about. We have to know, and we basically know that third wave in the motive wave, according to adequate wave theory, cannot be the shortest one. And to make the comparison, we have to pull the Fib extension tool from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the first wave and to the bottom of the retracement, right here. And we have just a tiny blip above 1-to-1 extension. This means third wave is not the shortest one. First wave is shorter than the third wave. And this is pretty much an acceptable movement. And that is why we can rely, let me delete this tool, we can rely on this internal breakdown as the legit breakdown. And for now, we have this weird structure, and usually fourth waves are extremely weird in terms of its structure, and we have this structure right here. By the way, guys, on one of my videos that I made for my customers and for my patrons, I showed you this potential breakout that should happen, and I identified this falling bullish wedge, and we had this breakout during which we gained a lot of profits. And unfortunately, we hit the range of resistance. And by the way, if I connect these two tops, as you can see right here, and project this as a parallel line to the downside, as you can see, we have very strong channel, and I can do it even like this. I connect this top, this one, and we have perfect channel. And this channel, I have to admit, is quite bullish. And I have to say that we have just several touches. If it is an ABCDE correction, let me show you like this. We have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, this is our C. It is debatable whether this is a D or not, because usually D has to have a bit higher price action, and it has to hit the range of resistance. And we have to see an E wave, and the E wave might be completely different. We might have an overthrow that will break the range of support. We might have an underthrow. And in this case, the next wave might be extremely powerful. But so far, guys, I have to say that this touch of the range of support is quite significant. And on top of that, this movement to the upside, I have to say that it doesn't have enough volume. As you can see, we had quite substantial volume to the downside during this movement from the very beginning of July till its swing low at on July the 8th during that week. And this movement to the upside doesn't have an increase in volume. This means most likely we have to retest again. We have to retest the range of support. And let me show you that potentially we have another similar pattern that we had previously. If I connect these two tops, this one and this one, we can see another potential wedge. And if it is the case, we might hover for quite some time inside this wedge by establishing new lower highs and lower lows. And in general, this wedge might have an even stronger breakout. But unfortunately, I think we have to first of all retest the lower border of this channel, the lower support of its structure. That is why, guys, yes, we might have something like this as a structure during the movement to the downside. We will not have it with the one single straight movement to the downside. And in this case, when we will approach to this range of support, it will be a very good opportunity to enter your long position with the anticipation of breakout above the range of resistance and above the second border, upper border of this channel. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the